I received a complaint from the Panchayat of Kasauli with respect to some kind of poles, concrete poles that were being erected in the NDZ area along ROC, okay, beach. And obviously the area falls within the NDZ area. It's an NDZ area, no development zone, and therefore no concrete structures can come up within NDZ. And therefore, I have written to Dr. Shirodkar, okay, to come and do a site inspection. We've written to GCZMA to come and do a site inspection and give us a report of the site inspection. And we are now awaiting for this report.
Up a compound wall sort of, which is about half a meter, little above 3/4, by putting the poles and cement. So when it is cement and poles means it is a construction, and that too without taking any permission from the village panchayat, neither they have any permission from the CRZ. So immediately we inspected the site, and we have got photographs. We have informed the CRZ people. We have informed the MLA, which MLA has already spoken to the CRZ, to the Mamladar, to the Talati, all have given the report. But till today, there is no sign of anyone coming to the site and taking the stock of the situation.
Madam, is it true that some fisherman's house it is being trying to be acquired?
That place belonged to a fisherman. Now these people, farmers, they have asked us to transfer the thing in their name. But as per the NGT order, today you cannot transfer this because only it is allowed for the fishermen.